Climate change is one of the greatest challenges of our time. To achieve UN climate objectives, we need to trigger long-term systemic shifts that will change the trajectory of CO2 levels in the atmosphere. Current environmental solutions require customers and businesses give up something, whether that be earnings or a forcible change in their usual habits. Introducing Vizopay, the UK's first carbon offsetting payment platform that rewards both the customer and merchant by planting trees when they shop online or in-store. Today, the total online retail sector is worth $4.1 trillion in sales. Acquiring just 0.1% of this, we can plant 500 million trees, capturing up to 6 million tons of CO2 every year. By 2030, we would be able to offset the entire UK car industry's CO2 pollution. For the consumer, our product is simple. Sign up and shop at our partner retailers. Check out using Vizopay at no extra cost. Receive instant analytics on your environmental impact. Keep giving back to the environment with every payment. Technology is at the forefront of our business, providing a full merchant management system that allows any retailer to easily manage payments and offset their carbon footprint while improving brand loyalty and increasing sales. Security is key to us, which is why we have integrated our platform with open banking.
For small businesses like mine, eco-friendly initiatives are difficult to implement. Vizopay offers a value-added payment platform that's simple, secure, and sustainable.
Combining green and fintech, we offer a powerful solution that will contribute to net carbon capture and reverse the effects of climate change before it's too late. The challenge is huge, but so is the opportunity. Invest in Vizopay today and make a difference to enable a more sustainable future.